Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and in today's CoachVantage tutorial, I will show you how to set up payment options for your coaching programs. From your dashboard, select one-on-one programs on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you can either create a new program or edit a current program by selecting the three-dot button menu and then pressing Edit. Now, go to the Fees step. It is on this step of the program setup where you will be asked, are you charging for this program, yes or no? If you select yes, you will be asked to please select a payment gateway, which would either be Stripe or PayPal. To set up these payment gateways, you would first need to integrate a payment gateway from My Settings and then Integrations. In this example, let's select Stripe as the payment gateway. Here, you will see that you have payment options. Add a payment option by clicking this button. You can configure up to 3 payment options for clients to choose from on your program sign-up page or landing page. This is an ideal way to provide flexibility to your clients so that they can choose the payment option that is most financially viable for them. As you can see here, the 3 payment type options are a one-time payment, an installment plan, or setting up a monthly subscription. Here are some examples of payment plans that you can create. You could create a one-time investment of $1,200 as a one-time charge. You could also create a 3-month installment plan for $500 a month for 3 months, or you could create a 6-month installment plan for $250 a month. Let's take a closer look at these payment type options. Selecting one-time payment sets up a one-time fee. This option is used for clients to make a one-time fee upfront. The full amount will be charged immediately to their card or PayPal account. You are also required to type in a payment description, such as pay in full or 6 monthly plan. And lastly, you will enter the payment amount. The next option is the installment plan. Select this option to set up a regular cadence of charges, which could be daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. You must set a fixed number of occurrences for the charges. For example, you might want to charge every month for 6 occurrences, or charge every year for 2 occurrences. Please note that when clients sign up for your program, they are charged immediately as part of the checkout flow. This first charge is therefore the first occurrence. The next invoice or automatic card deduction will take place using the first occurrence charge date as the reference anniversary for future billings. For example, if you have set up a 6-month installment plan, and if a client has made payment from your landing page on the 15th of March, then the next charge, or the second occurrence, will take place on the 15th of April. The final charge, or the 6th occurrence, will take place on the 15th of August. The last payment type is the monthly subscription option. Select this option to set up an ongoing or evergreen monthly subscription method of payment. This option is great for an open-ended coaching program where your client pays a monthly fee to have access to your coaching services or programs. Please note that there is no end date for monthly subscriptions. A subscription must be canceled by either you or your client before it ends. Lastly, you will notice for both the monthly subscription and also the installment plan, you do have the option to select billing settings. You can either charge clients' card automatically every billing cycle, or send clients an invoice every billing cycle for them to then make a payment. Please select the best billing setting that works for you. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this CoachVantage tutorial on how to set up payment options for your coaching programs. Have a great day and happy coaching!